Welcome 4th standard children. Now one child asked me why Shobha Miss is not taking the first lesson, that is the dragon feast. So the dragon feast is not included in the syllabus, children. It's not in the syllabus. So why I am taking that lesson and simply wasting my time? First of all, I am getting only 13 minutes in order to take this lesson. In class and all, we are getting 40 minutes. So there is enough time to take the lesson. So that's not included in the syllabus. That's why I skipped off that lesson, Dragon Feast. Okay, children? Now we'll continue with the lesson, that is Dorothy's Adventure. Now part 1 and 2 over. Now today in this video I am going to continue with part 3. In part 2 I have finished that here, up to here, isn't it? On page 10, I'll take page 10. Now here, if this road goes in, it must come out. Who are the 3 travelers whose journey they are explaining in this lesson? Journey means yatra. 3 travelers were there. That is one Scarecrow, then Dorothy and Tutu the dog. 3 characters are here, isn't it? They are doing their journey. So what they are telling, if this road goes in, that road should come out of the forest also. So we must go wherever it takes us. Where the road is going, so we'll follow the road also. So after an hour or so, the light faded away. Daytime also there is no that much light because of the branches of the trees and all, the sunlight cannot come inside. So it's shut out the sunlight. Sunlight the branches of the trees. So the way dark. So when night came, completely the light faded away. Faded away means the light is not there at all. And they found themselves stumbling along in the darkness. That's what stumbling along in the darkness. Dorothy could not see at all. But Tutu could. The animals and all can see in the dark also. Because some dogs see very well in the dark. The Scarecrow said that he could see as well in the day as by day. As dark as by day. Darkilum, day for the Scarecrow. That means in the dark also the Scarecrow can see. So Dorothy took hold of his arm. Adonde Scarecrow and managed to walk along fairly well. So fairly well. After a while, the Scarecrow stopped. But the Scarecrow stopped. I see a little cottage. He said, built of logs and branches. Cottage means a small house. Built of logs. Logs means marathadi. And branches. Shall we go there? The Scarecrow's asking Dorothy. Yes, indeed, answered the girl. But Dorothy and the one, yes, indeed. I am very tired, Dorothy is telling. So the Scarecrow led her through the trees until they reached the cottage. Dorothy entered and found a bed of dried leaves in one corner. Appo our cottage in oru bhagathu oru bed kandu made of namala veettamaitha bed onnalla cotton bed alla idu ennu parna dried leaves ine kondu ingane undakkiya oru bed. She lay down at once. Adu kandodane Dorothy lay down and the Tutu beside her soon fell into a sound sleep. Sound sleep means a deep sleep. Nalla aalathilula orkkilekku avaru poi. Dorothy and Tutu. The Scarecrow who was never tired, never hungry, never tired, because adinu stomach illa onnu illa, adu vaikkolanu muzhan narchu vechadu, appo it is not tired, it is not hungry at all, stood up in another corner and waited patiently until morning came. So Dorothy and Tutu lay down and fell fast asleep. But what is Scarecrow doing? Scarecrow is not tired. He stood in a corner waiting for Dorothy and Tutu. Now we'll come to section 2. When Dorothy awoke, so morning Dorothy awoke, the sun was shining through the trees and Tutu had long been out chasing birds and squirrels. Appo dog onnu nammala mari late aayittu korchu nerthe thane enikkum. So what was Tutu doing? Chasing means going at the back of birds and squirrels. The scarecrow was still standing in his corner waiting for. Scarecrow ippudu oda kaattukka in the corner, waiting for whom? Waiting for Dorothy to wake up. We must go and search for water, she said to him. Appo adhim thanne endanu venda search for water because she is very thirsty. Vellalle kudikkan nokka, she said to him. So they left the cottage in order to search for water and walked through the trees until they found a little spring of clear water. So they found a spring of clear water where Dorothy drank and bathed and ate her breakfast. So what all Dorothy did? Dorothy drank the water, bathed and ate her breakfast. She saw there was not much bread left in the basket. Basket athu korchu bread e ullu. And the girl was thankful that the scarecrow did not have to eat anything. Scarecrow തിന്നാത്തനെ കൊണ്ട് അത്രയും രക്ഷപ്പെട്ടു, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ തകിയൂല ആ ഭക്ഷണം. So she's telling the girl was thankful that the scarecrow did not have to eat anything, for there was scarcely. So scarcely means very little. Enough for herself. കുറച്ചേ ഉള്ളൂ, അവൾക്കും കൂടെ തകിയൂല. Scarcely enough for herself and Tutu for the day. So Tutu എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ജീവനുള്ള സാധനമാണ്. ടുട്ടുവിനും ആവശ്യമുണ്ട് കുറച്ചൊക്കെ ഭക്ഷണം, isn't it? When she had finished her meal എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റിലെ ആദ്യത്തെ മീലാണത്. And they were all about to go back to the road. She was startled. Startled means പെട്ടെന്ന് ഞെട്ടിപ്പോയി. Startled to hear a deep groan nearby. ഡീപ്പ് ഗ്രോൺ, നല്ല ആഴത്തിലുള്ള ഒരു വേദനേൻ്റെ കരച്ചിൽ. നമ്മൾക്കിപ്പോൾ പല്ലുവേദനയൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമ്മളിങ്ങനെയാ എന്ന് പറയും, അതാണ് ഗ്രോൺ, അതാണ് ഡീപ്പ് ഗ്രോൺ നിയർ ബൈ. സോ വെൻ ഷി വാസ് അബൌട്ട് ടു ഗോ ബാക്ക് ടു ദ റോഡ്, അതായത് ജേർണി കണ്ടിന്യൂ ചെയ്യാൻ പോവാൻ നേരത്ത് സഡൻലി ഷി വാസ് സ്റ്റാർട്ടിൽ, ഷി വാസ് സർപ്രൈസ്ഡ് ടു ഹിയർ എ ഡീപ്പ് ഗ്രോൺ നിയർ ബൈ. കണ്ട ആരോ ഒരു ആഴത്തിലായിട്ട് കരയുന്നുണ്ട് അടുത്തുനിന്നെങ്ങാനും. What was that? She asked fearfully. വേറെ ആരുമില്ലേ ഫോറസ്റ്റിൽ, പക്ഷെ എവിടുന്നാണ് ദിസ് ഡീപ്പ് ഗ്രോൺ ഇസ് കമ്മിങ്? അത് ആലോചിച്ചപ്പോൾ she was fearfully. What was that? I don't know, replied the scarecrow. Scarecrow പറയുന്ന I don't know, but we can go and see. നമുക്ക് പോയി നോക്കാം. Just then another groan reached their ears. കണ്ട, ഒരു ഗ്രോൺ കഴിഞ്ഞ് അടുത്ത ഗ്രോൺ ഇങ്ങനെ വന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുക. reach their ears and the sound seemed to come from behind them. Behind means പിന്നിൽ നിന്ന്, in front of മുന്നിൽ നിന്ന്, behind പിന്നിൽ നിന്നാണ് ആ കരച്ചിൽ കേട്ടത്, ആ ഗ്രോൺ കേട്ടത്. They turned and walked a few steps backward when Dorothy saw something shining in a ray of sunshine. അപ്പോൾ എന്തോ ഈ സൺലൈറ്റിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ മിന്നുന്നു, shining in a ray of sunshine. She ran to the place and then stopped with a little cry of surprise. Standing beside a tree was a man made entirely of tin. ടിന്നിനെ കൊണ്ടുണ്ടാക്കിയ ഒരാൾ, അതാണ് ആ സൺലൈറ്റിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ ഷൈൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത്, ടിന്നിനെ കൊണ്ടുണ്ടാക്കിയ ആളത്. സോ എ മാൻ entirely made of tin. Entirely means മുഴുവനായിട്ട് ടിന്നിനെ കൊണ്ടുണ്ടാക്കിയ ഒരു മനുഷ്യനെ കണ്ടു. He stood completely motionless. അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും നീങ്ങുന്നില്ല, motionless, as if he could not move at all. Dorothy looked at him in amazement. I told you in the last class also, amazement, surprise, അതൊക്കെ അത്ഭുതത്തോടെ കൂടെ, amazement. And so did the scarecrow. Scarecrow amazed ആയി. While Tutu barked sharply. Tutu ഈ ടിൻമാനെ കണ്ടോടനെ കുരയ്ക്കാൻ തുടങ്ങി. Barked sharply and snapped at the tin legs. Snapped means ഇങ്ങനെ കടിക്കുക. Snapped at the tin legs which hurt his teeth. കാരണം ടിൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അയണിനെ കൊണ്ട് ഉണ്ടാക്കിയതാണ്, കുറച്ച് നല്ല ഉറപ്പുണ്ടാവും. അപ്പം ഇങ്ങനെ കടിച്ചപ്പം വേദനയായിരുന്നു ടുട്ടുവിൻ്റെ ടീത്തിന്. Did you groan? asked Dorothy. അപ്പം ആ ടിൻമാനോട് ചോദിക്കുക, Did you groan? Yes, answered the Tin Man. I did. I have been groaning for more than a year. ഒരു വർഷം കൂടുതലായി ഞാൻ കരയാൻ തുടങ്ങിയിട്ട്. And no one has ever heard me before or come to help me. കണ്ടോ, ആരും എന്നെ സഹായിക്കാൻ ഇതുവരെ വന്നിട്ടില്ല. What can I do for you? She asked softly. അപ്പോൾ ഡോർത്തി ചോദിക്കുക, What can I do for you? For she felt sorry when the Tin Man spoke in such a sad voice. Sad voice എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ സങ്കടത്തോടെയാണ് സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്. She felt very sorry. Get an oil can and oil my joints. കണ്ട, ടിൻമാൻ ഉടനെ ഡോറത്തിനോട് എന്താ പറഞ്ഞ? Get an oil can and oil my joints. He answered, they are rusted so badly that I cannot move them at all. They are rusted. Rusted means തുരുമ്പ് പിടിച്ച് കിടക്കുക എൻ്റെ joints ഒക്കെ. I cannot move at all. So if I am well oiled, I shall soon be all right. കണ്ടോ, അപ്പോൾ ടിൻമാൻ എന്താ ഡോറത്തിനോട് പറഞ്ഞ? എൻ്റെ ജോയിൻസ് ഒക്കെ ഒന്ന് ഓയിൽ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ I can move, I'll be soon or be all right. That's also up to that I've taken. So you all read the lesson well and understand it, children. Thank you, children.